Okay, 3, 2, 1, let's jam. Something I like to do in all our cars is to add a vinyl overlay to the fog lights to give them a little extra protection, but it's also to give them some character. For example, I put yellow vinyl overlays on my kid's Miata and my work truck, and blue overlays on my IS350. Since I already have the rolls of yellow and blue vinyl, and the fog lights use so little vinyl, I thought I'd waste some by putting temporary overlays on the Bronco's fog lights. One of each color. This way my wife could see how both colors looked at the same time and pick one or the other, or neither. After a quick measurement of the diameter of the fog light, I made a quick drawing in a graphics program, also adding what I would call handling tabs. It sort of looks like how a kid would draw a sun. I printed them out and taped them on the back side of the vinyl roll, and then cut them out with an X-Acto knife. I used my trusty heat gun to help soften the vinyl when needed. Seriously, I don't know how I got along without a heat gun. I use this thing all the time. Between my fingers and a felt-covered squeegee that came with the vinyl, I was able to get it to lay flat. In case you've never used vinyl like this, it has what they call an air release backing. It's full of little channels along which trapped air can escape. The handling tabs of my yellow sun were tucked inside the bumper, or if they wouldn't tuck away, were trimmed off. This is what it looked like when I finished. And yes, the diameter of the vinyl overlay could have been just a little bit bigger, but it's not really noticeable except up close. And I did fix it in my file for the blue overlay I do next. And if you're interested in getting the updated pattern I used, you can find a link to the PDF file in the description below. Just so you know, when I normally do this, I remove the fog light so I can properly wrap them, but this is going to be a quick and dirty application for now. I think there will be some projects in the future that will require the bumper to be removed, and I'll rewrap the fog lights then. I think the blue one came out a little better than the yellow just because it was sized slightly bigger. And here's what it looked like with a true side-by-side comparison of the two colors. If any of my neighbors are seeing this, they probably think I'm an idiot. I personally like the yellow overlay the best. But what color do you think my wife went with? Yep, blue. I could have predicted that. But she's quite happy with the way they look now. Well, that's it for this fog light tinting extravaganza. See you later.